Hello to the entire Stocker community. We are currently in the Galeries Lafayette warehouses to present you with a lot of 90 pallets. We're going to show you a few pallets that are quite representative of the lot with many different brands. This is a customer return flow. What this essentially means is that it was worn for approximately 30 days at the very most, and then it was returned to this location. In this warehouse, they actually sort things as soon as they arrive by post, for example. They'll sort looking for what's completely new to them and can be resold, and anything that's been slightly used or is new but with slightly damaged packaging, they'll put into these pallets. So I'm going to show them to you and explain a bit how it all works. So first of all, if we come here, you can see that Galeries Lafayette tends to write on most products the reason why they actually decided to stock this item. So this is really a typical display where all the bulk products are. So if we look at this product here, it was simply put back into stock because it had been re-ironed and there are white marks on the item. We can see that it is actually completely new. In fact, you can't even really see the white marks, but it's considered a customer return that we can sell directly in this pallet. I'm going to place it right here. If we continue discussing the various distinct brands that are featured within these products, we can observe Calvin Klein, for example, with a shot right here, but also Calvin Klein prominently featured in their underwear collection. And then we'll also have some larger, more substantial bags over here from the brand Rains. If we continue with other pallets, so I can show you a bit of everything we can have. We'll have pallets with products that are a bit more bulky and not in bulk, like light fixtures. We won't show them to you right now. We'll see them later, but here we'll prefer to leave the pallet as is. We'll also get clothing with shoes. For example, here, I don't see the brand, which is Comptoir in this case. You can see, for example, that right here, the defect is just a small flaw on the shoe. So clearly the product is still perfectly usable and largely sellable, almost like new. It's a defect that you might find on almost any product. We will also have accessories available. So here it's either straighteners or freezers. So a product that's still considered high-end and has been barely used. We see a few small marks here, and that's certainly why the product is in this lot. If we move on to other products, then we'll go back to clothing. We're going to have brands like Tommy Hilfiger. So here, this is a pair of Tommy Hilfiger pants. We'll avoid opening them, but we can clearly see through the plastic that there are no defects, at least none that are apparent. You also find Galeries Lafayette's own private label brands, just like this one here. We can even see that the plastic piece is still clearly attached to the shirt, so it's highly unlikely it was ever truly used. You see, Galeries Lafayette told us that even if the packaging is slightly damaged, they prefer to place these items in this pallet. So here you have, for example, a brand new product that's been processed as a customer return. For connoisseurs, we also have Kim Kardashian's brand, which enjoys a somewhat more international reputation. Similarly, we are looking at a product where the packaging has been quite damaged, even though the item itself is brand new inside. Next, if we continue on to other types of accessories, we have the Peugeot brand featuring a pepper mill, a pepper grinder.
All right, let's take it out to see what it looks like on the inside.
Here, so we can clearly see that the product is still totally new. There isn't even a single scratch on the paper mill. If we look at the other products, we'll have Dior, so perfume.
Clearly, in this case, we can sell it as new. The item, naturally, if it's been used, that's not an issue. We have a Jacquemus bag that's even in its original packaging, which has a slight stain here. That's certainly the reason it was put here. So concretely, it's washable and we can resell it as new.
So right here, it's in absolutely brand new condition, apart from this small little spot.
Once again, Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger. So you can really see it's quite diverse. We have the Galeries Lafayette brand below. It's completely diverse with products that will truly be available in bulk. So you'll be able to find everything in the same box. Here we also have shoes from the Galeries Lafayette brand once again. So it's their own brand.
So what we're really looking at here is a completely brand new shoe.
It even comes with all the basic accessories already on it. We'll have a few more items from the Crystal brand. So this time, Hop, this product has certainly been used because we can see it's slightly dirty. But apart from that, the coating is still clean, like new. There's nothing behind it, nothing in front.
So this is truly the specific category of customer returns, a product that has been used very, very little, as I was mentioning, for less than 30 days, but in fact, it is practically identical to a brand new item. Naturally, with some usage, you are almost getting a brand new product. And if we keep moving forward, I believe we had some additional products to present to you over there as well. All right, let me just make a little bit of room here. We also have, in a similar fashion, some shoes that we went to see. And if I were to show them to you right here, we are clearly talking about items that are brand new, still in their original packaging. We also have some brands that are quite well known to certain people. And for others, right here, for example, a brand that I personally really like is North Face. I find the shorts, moreover, they're open, so it's absolutely perfect. It allows you to get a feel for the product. So here we're really looking at a new product. It must have been worn once or twice because we see some small traces really of someone who wore it, let's say, out in the street, but the product isn't damaged from washing, and we're dealing with an item that's considered totally new. And finally, if we present you yet another product that's right here. Oh no, I've got more to show. Let me show you some others. This time around, we're focusing on a saucepan. It's very similar to the frying pan I showed you earlier. We're dealing with something that's quite new. This particular one has been used a little more than the previous item. So you can clearly see it's been used a bit here. But again, when you wipe it off, it's just dirt. So it must have been used once or twice at most, and it's presented as a customer return. And earlier I was talking to you about lamps. That's why we're showing them to you anyway. Here, we've opened it beforehand.
So we have this lamp from the Nordlux brand, which is quite fragile, but it's completely new. It's the LED type, Hop and glass, and you can see it's still in perfect condition.
It isn't damaged in the slightest. There isn't a single flaw anywhere. I make an effort to be careful not to damage it myself. You say, I think the reason it wasn't put out is because of these tiny snags that are right here. So really something that is almost imperceptible. Right. I'm putting it back in its place like this. So if you're interested in these particular lots, please feel free to check out the full description directly on the page for this specific lot. You can also download the Excel spreadsheet, so you'll have access to the public prices, the quantity. You'll truly have all the necessary details for all these specific lots. If you also have any questions, we are readily available. You can simply write in the chat. So please don't hesitate to make an offer or to ask us any questions. And I wish you a very good day and see you soon on Stockler.